Hello, good morning. My name is Joshi Barapu. I'm pursuing masters in project management, and now I am going to explain my project dissertation, which is in the subject, in the main subject and the core subject of the project sustainability project management. In this, the main scope of this dissertation is the project planning for sustainable construction. As we are can see the ppt on the slides which is going on, which is recording, and the main introduction of the topic is there are three different types of objectives. Those are called as objectives, deliverables, and sustainability goals. In these three, the main objective of this presentation on this dissertation is to build a sustainable, environmentally friendly structure, and the next one is minimize the environmental impact and maximize the resources which we are using in this project, which can be delivered to the outstanding performance. And the deliverables is the fully operational green building meeting, which is certified as the standards of some high companies, and the comprehensive documentation of sustainability practices employed. And the next one is a sustainability goal. The goal which we have decided to fix for this one is to reduce the buildings in carbon footprint and energy, and to promote ethical labor practices and community well-being, and to ensure life cycle cost effectives and resources. And the next slide, and this main core process we need to include in this project. And for this core process, we need to get the main core process in the project sustainability management. The main core process of this one is project planning, execution, and monitoring the project, evaluation, and reporting. And these are the main core processes which we are going to through our project. And the project planning is the strategic design and scheduling that prioritize sustainability, incorporating eco-friendly materials and efficient techniques. These are the main important techniques which we need to use in this project sustainability management. Without this project planning, there will be no perfect desired output which we are gaining, which we are looking for out this one. And the execution and monitoring is very important in this real-time implementation, with ongoing evaluation of environment and social performance metrics. The performance which is going by the team and group is very mandatory to get the good efficiency for the project. And the evaluation and the reporting, comprehensive analysis of project outcomes against sustainability benchmarks, and transparent communication of results. These results, the good evaluation and reporting should be must and should be very perfect for this one to get the good performance and a good result of this one without any delays. And the next one is the sub processes which is allocated during the project planning. The resources allocation, the resources allocation is based on the strategic distribution of resources to minimize the wastage of energy, such as a wastage of water, which resources we are used for the materials and examples like that. And the maximum energy and material efficiency should not be waste for this resource allocation. Should be managed in equal and every standards. And the next one is stakeholder engagement, inclusive, which means extractive collaboration with the stakeholders, ensuring diverse perspectives contribute to sustainable decision making. The decision making in the stakeholders engagement is very important. This leads to good efficiency of the good percentage of the good outcome of the project is very important for that one. Waste management of implement of strategies to reduce and recycle. This one is very mandatory. And the next one is uh, process mapping. The process mapping of this one is included in all sources. This is the main theme in our project. The process of mapping is first, as we discussed in the before, the project planning is very important in this slide. By the based on the project planning only, we will get everything, each and everything in the prospective way. And this project planning should be eco-friendly managing strategic scheduling. The scheduling is the main important thing which should be allocated each and every person in this project planning. If the project planning is perfect, everything, the work will be going on very good process. And the resources allocation, after completing the project planning, the resources should be allocated in which manner and what supplies we need to use. But Sorry to disturb this one. My lecturer who is given the subject which is very valuable for me, because I learned a lot of things, how to manage the skills and how to do scheduling, risk management, and everything. Sorry for disturbing and telling this one, because I remembered that one while I am giving this introduction. Okay, let's continue with the matter. Resource allocation. After that, we need to go to the stakeholder management. This stack in between this one, conduct participatory workshops, collect community feedback. This is one of the main important thing, to collect the feedback. If you collect the feedback, if there is any errors or something is going on through this one, we can reduce easily by allocating each and every schedules. After that, execution and monitoring. In this execution and monitoring, if based on the wastage performance, wastage materials, we if we manage the execution and monitoring, we can reduce that one. In the partner with the recycling facilities also we can use. Track wastage reduction is done in the execution and monitoring. So this is the main theme. Process mapping is the main theme in our project. And uh, as the process mapping, I we designed which and very worked very hard in this creating the project management, and the project software and the sustainability scheduling and everything is done here. You can easily visible this one, and this is my team, and this is my hard work which I have done since the weeks and the classes going on through. But I learned a lot of skills by this one. And in this one, there is everything, each and everything, there is a pin to pin elaboration is there for the project planning and how much duration it takes, and sustainability, green building design concepts, and everything is perfect and everything is done very quickly. I am very happy to do this one. And the construction, at the side of the construction phases also, we already designed how many days it takes, site preparation, structure of the site, green technology uses of the style, and interior exterior of this site, and it's very happy to do this one. And operating and testing is one of the main thing. The who is experienced and how many days it takes, and the stakeholder maintenance and everything is included in this one. And if you go to the next, resource allocation. As we discussed before, the resource allocation is the main thing which we can control the efficiency, and we can do everything by in our stocks and in our funds and in our financial allocations. Let us see. The utilize sustainability materials such as recycled steel, bamboo, and FSC certified wood. Source locally to reduce transportation and emissions and support local economies. Employ energy efficient construction techniques and renewable energy sources. Explore modular construction on perfection to minimize the material waste. Monitor resource use with digital tools to ensure optimization and limit overuse. And if in this resource allocation, the main experiences should be gained by us, because there should not be any waste materials. It includes the efficiency of the project should be decreased. So we should never lose this one efficiency of the project. We need to have the stakeholder engagement, to engage all stakeholders through participatory workshops and transparent communications. And this is here we shown one schematic graphs, which is how they're gonna influence, how they're gonna manage the stakeholders, and how they are keeping satisfied, managing closely, monitor and keep monitoring, keep comfort the local communities and taking the feedbacks and everything. And if we go to the waste management, this is one of the main thing, how we gonna take the materials and how we gonna use the materials, and how we does not waste the materials, and how we gonna recycle that one, and everything is mentioned. But this is the great knowledge which I have gained, and I am very happy to do this one. And the digital tools which I have used in this project is MS Project Management, and it is wonderful for me to use this one, and I have ever seen before. But in this experience, I have got a good project to deal, and I am very happy to do this one. And identity areas for integration, and those are the resource allocation, stakeholder engagement, waste management, energy efficiency, water conservation. These all are also very critical in this one. And now I am going to conclude. What about I want to say is the sustainability construction project management integrates environmental and social and objectives across all phases. This is the main thing. The building sets a precedent for responsible contribution practices, paying the way for the future products. And thank you for giving me this opportunity. Have a nice day.